Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. This is my second NZXT build video. This is in their H710 mid-tower chassis, and I've also done their H210 mini ITX. You'll find the link to that down in the video description. My H710 build follows a similar design theme to the H210 with this abstract water paint design, and I used printed vinyl that I applied onto acrylic sheets, cut to the sizes needed for all the various cover panels in order to achieve this look. The H710 is a pretty good case, however I have similar gripes with it as I did with the H210, where the front section of the case is being wasted in my opinion, where you have this gap, however you can't fit fans there as they wouldn't be able to breathe. Top section is a lot better, however allowing a bit more room at the front to fit fans on the outside section would allow for much better front radiator support in terms of thickness, and also allow for much better pump and reservoir placement as well. As you can see, the pump res combo is not in the best location, and even with an SE360 slim radiator from EK, once you add fans in there, there's not enough room to clear a standard length graphics card and also have the pump and res combo in there. So that's why I had to put the graphics card in a lower PCIe slot. You may be able to get away with it with a smaller pump, such as like a DDC or something like that, but still, I would love to see improved custom water cooling support in these NZXT cases. One of my very first custom loops around 2012 was in the NZXT Phantom 820. In that case, had the same internal design as the NZXT Switch 810. I loved those cases at the time, and they offered some of the best custom water cooling support. I would really love if NZXT went back to something like that. Really miss those Phantom cases. I don't know about you, but I love the look. But anyways, the H710 is still a pretty good case and turned out a solid looking custom system. If you're wondering about the design I used, I got it from unsplash.com, and you'll find links to the artist in the video description as well as the full system specs if you want to know more. So I hope you guys like how the system turned out and enjoy the time lapse. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video. Make sure you check out my NZXT H210 Mini ITX custom system as well. Drop us a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!